Welcome back to our channel.
We are Amelia and Sunny, and today's episode can completely change the way you learn English.
Stop translating. Start thinking in English like this.
Let me ask you something, honestly. How many times have you tried to speak English, but got stuck?
You know the words, you understand sentences, but when you try to speak, your mind becomes blank.
And the reason is simple. You are thinking in the wrong language. Your brain is doing double work. First, you think in your native language, then you translate into English.
This creates delay. That's why you speak slowly. That's why you feel nervous.
Fluent speakers don't translate. They think directly in English.
From today, your goal is simple. Think in English, not translate.
Don't try to be perfect. Just be simple.
Start with very simple thinking. I am here. I am learning. I am listening.
Think like this. I woke up today. I feel good. I am ready to learn. Now look around you. Describe everything.
Example. This is my room. I see a table. I see a phone.
This builds your thinking habit.
Now describe your actions. I am sitting. I am listening. I am practicing English.
Repeat after us slowly.
I think in English.
I don't translate.
I am improving. Repeat 5 times.
Now build longer sentences.
Example. I am learning English every day because I want to speak confidently.
Another. I am practicing daily to improve my communication skills.
Now expand your thoughts.
Example. I feel happy because I am improving my English.
Morning. I woke up early today. I feel fresh and energetic. Home. I am in my room. I am thinking about my goals. Study. I am studying English. I am learning new words. Walking. I am walking outside. I see many people around me.
Ask yourself, what am I doing today? Answer, I will study English. I will practice speaking.
Ask again. Why am I learning English?
Answer, to improve my future, to speak confidently.
Repeat again. I think in English every day.
I am confident.
I am improving step by step. Repeat 5 times.
Don't wait for perfect grammar.
Don't stay silent.
Don't quit early. Confidence equals practice plus repetition.
The more you think in English, the easier speaking becomes. 10 to 15 minutes thinking. 15 to 20 sentences. 5 questions, 5 answers. Stop saying, I can't speak English.
Start saying, I am improving every day. Repeat with confidence.
I think in English every day.
I don't translate anymore.
I am confident.
I will speak fluently. Repeat 5 times.
Remember this forever. Your thinking creates your speaking.
If you change your thinking, you change your English.
Now tell us honestly, do you still translate in your mind?
Comment yes or no.
Subscribe to our channel and start your journey.
See you in the next episode.